awesome ways to land in customers' inbox and avoid the spam. What is a spam box? Spam box can be defined as an email box folder filled with spam messages. Email spam, also known as junk email, is a part of electronic spam involving messages that trigger inappropriate content for the recipient. Now, whether you are sending or receiving an email, shopping, or conducting your day-to-day banking, the internet has become a convenient and necessary tool of modern life. Now, many of us love shopping on the web and keeping in touch via email. However, an effective email marketing campaign is not that simple. In fact, it comes with a downside. You need to be very careful and make every possible effort to avoid your email marketing efforts getting caught by a spam filter. And this is obviously something you do not want. To avoid ending up in the spam box, do not use words or symbols that trigger spam filters. Words such as bonus, 100%, free, money, exclamation marks, dollar signs, cheap, cash, etc., and the list goes on and on. Also, your subject line should not be all in caps. This also triggers spam filters. Internet service providers, ISPs, monitor the deliverability of your email too. And if your email bounces a lot, they will share this information with the spam filter, which in turn will block your email. Try keeping your list fresh and engaged, because if your email is deleted by people or marked as spam, the spam filter will register the fact that your emails are irrelevant, inappropriate, or unwanted. Instead of using too many images, it's better to use just one image and the rest of your email as text. Now, there is a debate that you should not use any images in your emails and just concentrate on text only. And we'll discuss this in more detail further on in our modules. But just remember, a little care will make your email spam-free. The war against spam. Everyone, including ISPs and mailbox providers, are strictly against spam. ISPs because they want to save their bandwidth and data storage space, and mailbox providers because they want to give protection to their users from unwanted and junk emails. There are several defense mechanisms used by them to avoid spam. Gatekeepers. These are firewalls which identify obvious spam and prevent it from reaching mailbox. Spam filters. Spam filters are set up by mailbox providers to scan emails with a given criteria and divert mail fulfilling such criteria to the spam box instead of inbox. The criteria include scanning of subject line for certain words or symbols, such as the dollar sign and so on. The points that match that criteria form a spam score, which on exceeding a defined score classifies the email as spam. If your email reaches the spam score level, it will be automatically directed to the spam box and never reach the inbox. Blacklists. Blacklist is a listing of IP addresses of known spammers and is used to identify spammers and blocking their networks. Your server could be blacklisted if a huge number of your emails are classified or reported as spam. Now, ISPs and mailbox providers refer to these blacklists to identify spam emails. In order to make your email marketing campaign successful, your email needs to avoid the spam folder. How to avoid the spam folder? This is not meant to provide ways to have your spam mail sneak into your inbox. Rather, these are a few tips to ensure the success of your email marketing by complying with the rules of ISPs and mailbox providers and making your emails perfect. Your emails are judged by spam filters on the basis of content, engagement, and deliverability. Content. Your email content needs to be simple and honest, and you need to avoid the following to get past spam filters. Avoid misleading subject lines, such as using words like free and cash. Avoid exclamation marks or dollar and money signs. Do not quote large sums of money. Avoid words like act now or 100% guaranteed. Don't write all in caps. Avoid large or colored fonts. Make sure no Microsoft Word coding was pasted into the HTML email when copying and pasting. Use text emails, and if you have to use images, then only use one image per email. Check for misspellings. Include your or your organization's physical address. Use a valid sender email address and a real name and address while signing the email. Avoid using congratulations, congrats in greetings. Engagement. Recipient's response to an email is also monitored to classify sender's domain as spam or not. Users can report emails and addresses as spam. Spam filters also keep a score of your email being deleted without opening, which in turn validate your identity as spam. A real and positive recipient list will help you to build a good reputation and integrity with the spam filters. Deliverability. ISPs keep a score of your emails that are bounced and share this with spam filters to define your spam score. You need a healthy email list to avoid being classified as spam.